I'm Timid the Brave, and this is the Marz Garage.
With my eyes on Orion, I am hunting for a home. Come morning I'll be flying far from the only place I'm known. I cannot pretend I don't need you, my friends. I know it doesn't show. I can't stand the thought of leaving again. Now it's time to go. Lord, it's been a long time since I've seen my sister's sons. The rope that binds unravels when you're traveling, when you're always on the run. I cannot pretend I don't need you, my friends. I know it doesn't show. I can't stand the thought of leaving again. Now it's time to go. I cannot pretend I don't need you, my friends. I know it doesn't show. I can't stand the thought of leaving again, but I can't wait to go.
I started writing songs when I was at university studying English. Used the guitar as a means to just provide a melody for the words I was writing. And then from there, I just happened to make friends with a bunch of people who were talented musicians and who kind of believed in the songs. I started writing music, I think, as a means to process things I was going through. I live 3,000 kilometers away from my family. The rest of my family's all in Alberta. So the first song I played, Time to Go, is basically about that tension of having a bunch of close friends here who are like family to me. It's basically just a means of trying to express emotions, and also it's therapeutic, I think, sometimes. I started recording, I guess, summer of 2011 with Scott Orr, Other Songs Music. I put out one record that was, again, more of a solo record that did surprisingly well. And then it took, I think, 4 or 5 years for me to start recording another record. But yeah, I have 2, I guess, full-length records out now, working on a 3rd one. And yeah, that's all with Other Songs Music here in Hamilton. So Hamilton is still relatively affordable for artists. For the most part, you can live off a street like James Street, where there's a lot going on, and you're walking distance to a bunch of venues and restaurants and galleries and stuff like that, and you can afford it still. It's a small city. Hamilton is it feels like a bunch of little towns kind of strung together. So I know when I'm out walking, I'm going to bump into some other musician that I know. It's a very small, I think still intimate music community, and people support each other. You know, when I hear about a series like this where it's like, we're going to pay musicians to play music and support what they're doing, like, that's phenomenal. I think it's very important, and I think it's an exciting time to be a musician in Hamilton. I'm probably going to get back in the studio in the fall, hopefully, and then playing a couple shows, playing one with Gareth Inkster, who was playing on accompanying me there. This sounds super dramatic, but without music and the arts, like, what's the point of staying alive? I think everyone, whether you're a creative person or not, it's one of the things you live for. It's one of the things that give you joy.